Hey, today I'm going to show you how to make Instant Pot sausage pepperoni pasta. It's so good. Turn your Instant Pot to the saute setting and heat it up. When it says hot, you can add in a pound of Italian sausage and break it up with a wooden spoon. I used mild Italian sausage, but you could also use the spicy kind if you like things a little bit more hot. And then once it's broken up, you can add in 2 tablespoons of minced dried onion. I didn't feel like chopping an onion today, so that's what I used. But you can also use a 1/2 cup of fresh chopped onion. Both will be great. And then just stir that up, let it brown. Drain off any excess grease if you have it. I didn't have any excess grease, so I didn't need to drain any off. And once that was browned up, I poured in 2 cups of water and scraped to the bottom of the pot really well so nothing was sticking. And then I added in 2 teaspoons of better than bouillon chicken base, but you can also add in the beef base, whatever you like best. And then an 8 ounces of short cut pasta, 15-ounce can of crushed tomatoes, and a 8-ounce can of tomato sauce. 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1 teaspoon of onion powder, and 1 teaspoon of Italian seasoning. We're going to pressure cook for 4 minutes on high pressure. And then once the cooking time is up, you can wait 5 minutes and then release any remaining pressure. Stir it really well. And then we're going to be adding pepperoni on top. And I just kind of started by making circling the pepperoni around. And I was supposed to have more pepperoni. There was more when I bought it, and then for some reason, somebody in my house ate half of the package. So really, preferably I would have put a little bit more on, but that's what I had. Then I added in a 1/2 cup of Parmesan cheese, put the lid on, let it keep warm for 5 minutes till the cheese melted. And then I served it up, and it was delicious. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye-bye.